Yo, good morning everyone. We're out here at Irwindale. It's Friday. We got practice and qualifying today. We're gonna wipe down the car, get it ready, go over, check all the fluids. Everything else has been done yesterday to make sure we're ready for today. We got Jacob on the way. He's coming to bring us some breakfast. I think he's gonna bring some Mickey D's. Get us a good old greasy biscuit in our system and get ready. But I know I want to say thank you guys for following along, watching all the new videos that Jacob's been creating. Jacob's been doing an awesome job. I've kind of slacked. He bought me this camera and I haven't even really used it, so I'm going to try and at least use it this round, provide some cool content for you guys. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. But yeah, car's looking rough. This is the last round of the year. Been in a couple of contacts, but overall the car is looking somewhat decent. Besides this side, we wasn't able to fix this side because the car's been out west for Utah, and yeah, but for we want to definitely thank all these awesome companies, definitely AZ Rag, BTR, and Haltech, Wise Fat Field, Dynasty, all these supporters, man. Garrett, they just been huge and helped us a ton this year. We couldn't do it without them. I mean, we can't do this without any of our partners. Hopefully we'll be able to continue through next year and maybe be able to put together a little bit better team and budget and come out swinging and really get on the podium, because obviously that's our goal. But yeah, I think Louis from AZ Rag's gonna be here today. Hopefully he can come by, fix some of the vinyl, since the car's been out here. It was at Utah before, and that's where all the rubber marks and everything happened on this side. So hopefully Louis can show up, clean that up, make us look a little better for this last round, and man, then we can head on home. It's gonna be a 40-hour drive. That's the part I'm dreading, but it's definitely been one hell of a season, and looking forward to seeing what this round brings.
The chances of it raining today.
Why would you say that?
It's dark.
Why would you talk about rain? It's only 8 a.m. Why are you even awake?
I feel like this is about right time.
What, 8? You're never up at 8. You can't even make it to work by 9.
Well, you're not wrong.
Breakfast is here, bitch!
Who are you?
Your food delivery.
What did you get us? Healthy food?
Yeah, look, there's an orange juice.
I didn't even ask for that, but I appreciate it, because I'll drink it.
I do good.
What'd you get yourself?
A
are you going to be happy today, or are you going to be grumpy?
Super happy.
You're usually grumpy.
Weed's legal in California. I'm going to be super happy.
You are so grumpy, though, usually.
What?
You're grumpy.
When am I grumpy?
Grumpy Jacob.
I'm only grumpy when you don't listen.
Oh, and when is that? I listen all the time. You give a ring us.
Delivery of knuckles. The knuckle delivery. Straight fresh from the yard.
Straight fresh from the yard.
Heck yeah. As you've seen, Rome brought us some knuckles back in, hey, where was it that we messed up the one knuckle? Broke it. Oh, in Seattle when we hit the wall during qualifying because the belt came off. We broke one of the knuckles, first time doing that. Luckily, Rome had a spare complete, let us use it, hub and everything. And he let us use it for Utah as well. And then he picked up some knuckles from a local junkyard or one of his buddies, hooked us up for real cheap. So got that, and we just swapped everything out, put my new Core 4 Motorsports hub with press-in studs. As you know, the E46, E36, they all have, BMW basically all have bolts for lug nut, for lugs. So yeah, we got that switched over. Ryan's got that basically taken care of. We got the Willwood drag brakes on this car, super lightweight. But anyways, huge thanks to Rome. Rome's a super nice dude and been super helpful. So luckily we're able to get him all of his spare parts back that he needs just in case something happens this weekend.
Doesn't look bad. In the front was. Hi.
Hello.
What'd you do?
My belt came off.
Actually?
So I had no power steering.
Oh, wow.
Yep, smoked the wall once again. This time though, it didn't bend the rotor, it didn't bend the coilover. All it did was bend one bolt in the arm, and that's it.
You're getting way better at crashing.
Yeah,
I don't know if that's a good thing.
yeah, I don't think that's good.
Lots of practice.
The Hurst. The Hurst is on fire. One of the loudest cars with the shotgun bang. What's up with that thing? I want to know. How do you swing? Goes into that first outside zone, firing off. Listen to this thing. Holy cow. It's not even 4th of July. Into the second outside zone, risking it. Nice job. Ooh, Hurst gets out of the angle a little bit. Oh my God. Drum roll, please. In that final outside zone, Jonathan Hurst, always entertaining. Just a jovial cat. Oh my gosh. So, not obnoxious, but just
fun.
Rowdy.
Really fun.
Real fun.
Real fun for the whole family.
Yeah, just Hurst with a 78. A 78.
Oh, what a shit day, man.
Well, tell me all about it.
I mean, there's not much to say besides the belt came off, hit the wall. That's only happened a couple times this year. And didn't get any practice laps besides one lead lap. And it was junk because I got in the marbles. But I guess it was a good thing that I went ahead and put it on the wall for my one lap because it told me to make sure to stay pinned for my qualifying lap. And then went out and qualifying. Hopes really weren't high, but I knew I just had to throw down, you know, checkers or wreckers on that one for sure because I'm not felt comfortable at all, especially at a track here like Irwindale, which I like the track. It's just, it's not predictable right now. So hopefully that changes a little bit tomorrow. But fortunately, we were able to get a 78. We threw down a decent lap. Made a couple mistakes. I think my throttle cable got stretched or my pedal messed up. So we got to take a look at that and realign the car and stuff. But other than that, solid effort for qualifying. Should have done better, but with the given circumstances, I guess it was all right.
You literally broke the gas pedal.
I wasn't gonna lift. You unprepared?
It's fine now. I'm good.
No, you was unprepared.
I know.
I had my camera out ready first.
Are you gonna vlog me vlogging you? Should you do 2 camera angles and I'll cut back and forth?
No, we should not do 2 camera angles and cut back and forth. That would look stupid.
So much more work.
You know what we should do is not practice at all, and then they can't get any data on us, and then they have to like go into the thing blind.
Ooh, bold move, Cotton.
Bold move, Cotton. I think we could do it though.
Yeah, just no practice. And
Yeah, then I might have tires, you know.
That's a good point. It's wet out, so you might get more time.
Yeah, but I don't think so. I think it's drying.
All right.
I think it's gonna be dry.
I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne, Perrier, finish frames on my face. Looking from the deep, these no Cartiers. Pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro.
So we just did 2 laps and warm up for top 32. Probably not going to get any more laps than that as we only got 4 tires left. And we need enough tires for one more time just in case we hurt. So that'll probably be it for now. And then we will go from there.
Ryan Tuerck versus Jonathan Hurst, the pride of Paducah. They got rain and snow in Paducah, Kentucky? Yeah, I think so. All right, so here we go. Ryan Tuerck, Jonathan Hurst, what was to be our final battle. We will go back to Robbins and Darren Kelly, the second half of that. But right now, Ryan Tuerck, that Rain-X truck and SUV Toyota GR Corolla on Nitto tires. Here we go, Jonathan Hurst. Look at this initiation here by Ryan Tuerck. He gets to the wall. Wow, amazing initiation by Ryan Tuerck, currently sitting 5th in points. Jonathan Hurst spins out. Ryan Tuerck does need to continue on. As long as he keeps it sideways, keeps it clean, he's gonna have a major advantage here. Again, he doesn't, given the conditions, he wants to get that top 3 spot. Now, with Chris Forsberg out, who's in 4th, he does tap that wall. He gets intimate. You've seen that back right corner being bashed up, banged up. This Rockstar energy drink pilot living up to the series title, Controlled Chaos. Puts it down, and a great, strong lead run by Ryan Tuerck, who is your round 1 winner.
What's the strategy?
There you go.
Is it stick it to the door or give him some space? He's got it incomplete. You don't want to have what's that called? An active chase behind Jonathan Hurst in the lead. So you do have to adjust yourself. But it looks like Ryan Tuerck's staying pretty close right now.
He's drooling, man. He's absolutely thirsty right now, and he's about to get a rooster in his face. Oh boy. Okay. Let's clear it. Oh boy. Oh man. Okay.
That was fairly low speed. It doesn't look like any major damage.
Hopefully.
Just gonna bumper cars a little bit.
That's it. That's all she wrote. Jonathan Hurst, that's going to be a wrap for him. Very difficult situation. Ryan Tuerck gets the win and advances on that Rain-X truck and SUV, living up to the sponsor.
All right, so we just got done with round 8. We made it all 8 rounds. Unfortunately, this was a very bad round for us. First lap, obviously, I think I talked about it earlier, smoked the wall because of the power steering belt. So unfortunately, didn't get any practice laps. Thankfully, we were able to put something together for qualifying. Top 32, we were kind of maybe gonna try a strategy and not do any practice. So there wasn't any notes on us, but we decided to go ahead and get a couple laps in. We were really low on tires, so that was kind of a reason behind that as well. Then the weather came and it rained right before maybe 2 battles right before me and Tuerck, and it was horrible. The track was already having really slick spots by the wall in the outside zones, and then the rain coming along, it was just absolutely horrible. I mean, I ended up spinning out in the exact same spot 3 times, which is just embarrassing to me because I really like driving in the rain. I don't know what it was. I just physically couldn't make it happen, and then several guys did the same thing after me. So luckily, it just wasn't only me, but the track was just it was just hit or miss all over. So props to everyone else though. Crazy event. Can't wait to come back. hopefully we can have some better results. It seems like every time we come to Irwindale, there's always something that happens. I really like this track, but we always end up having a car issue or something ends up, you know, biting us and not letting us get a good weekend. But hopefully we can end this year and maybe start on a better note for next year, instead of like we did this year and total a brand new car right off the bat. But it was a good year in the E46. You know, first year in this chassis. I think it's got a lot more potential. We definitely wasn't using all of its capabilities yet, just feeling it. Just got to make sure we can keep this thing together and keep the team together and move on.
Cool. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, you should go like and subscribe. YouTube, Instagram, Jonathan Hurst on YouTube, at Jonathan Cash16 Instagram, TikTok.
Yeah,
everything.
Now.
Yeah, TikTok. I don't even know my username on that.
All right. Time for the off season.
Yep.
You're gonna keep vlogging though, right?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna use my camera all the time.
Yeah, okay. Not for that.
No, I'm gonna use my camera all the time.
All right, I hope
Yep.
so.